Hello, good morning. Welcome to our Designer's Den. I'm Allie, not a designer, but that doesn't mean I don't know things about AFW. I actually know a whole lot. I'm the one who's bringing you social media posts and really digging through all of the amazing stuff that we've got here at AFW. Something that's awesome about this month is during our January clearance, we also have a ton of special purchases. So if you're thinking, when is the best time to buy furniture? Because you hear about those magic times that it's really good to buy. Right now is the answer. Because with this January clearance coinciding with special purchases, you can get unbelievable deals on furniture that's going to be really unique and awesome for you. So I've said special purchases, like 3 times now? And if you don't work in our industry, you're probably thinking, I don't know what that means. Don't worry, gonna help you out right now. Special purchases are items that we buy directly from factories, and we get them at awesome savings. And rather than, mark it up and make a whole bunch of money on it, we just pass the savings right on to you and give you the opportunity to shop these special purchases. It's a little bit different than what you're gonna find on our online collection. That's what's awesome about AFW. You can come into the stores, try things out, and every store is gonna have a different selection when it comes to these special purchases. Now, our buyers have worked really hard to make sure that the items that they're bringing into our stores are things that are unique, that are beautiful, and are an amazing price with great quality. So we've kind of converted our clearance section here in the Englewood location into our special purchases section. What's awesome about this is you're gonna find a lot of stuff, not just sofas, sectionals, chairs, but also dining sets, some bedroom furniture, and you don't really know what you're gonna find. And these aren't things that are gross and nobody wanted. These are things that we're really lucky to have here, and you're really lucky to be able to shop. I mean, right behind me is an example of a special purchase. This one happens to be a closeout. So the factory's just not making it anymore. And we're like, heck yeah, we know people are gonna want this sofa at this crazy price. So you've got to come check things out. Again, I'd love to be able to tell you, oh yeah, browse our website and just buy it right there. But this is one of those times that it's really worth it to come down to an AFW location and check it out for yourself and just browse, look at this. It goes all the way back. This collection is huge. We're in the store, so we're getting announcements coming into us, probably about more special purchases coming in because we are getting thousands and thousands of items in truckloads. Oh, the last thing I have to tell you, these special purchases, you don't have to wait for it to come from a factory. They're here right now, so you can take it home today. So if you've been needing that sofa, you've been needing a recliner, now is the time to come to AFW. Just do it. Pull the trigger, bring it home today. There's no buyer's remorse involved. Next week, we are gonna have more design tips for you. I know this wasn't very design heavy, but hey, I think that saving a whole lot of money kind of never goes out of style. So join us next week right here for our Designer's Den series, and join us in the stores, whichever one's closest to you. So everything you see here, while it might not be at AFW.com, the rest of the store is. You can always shop AFW.com 24/7. You can get things shipped directly to you, so AFW.com is where you go for design tips, furniture, anything you need.